Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the 2PCS RGB Floor Lamp, a 65-inch smart modern standing lamp that brings vibrant lighting to any space with its Bluetooth app and remote control capabilities. This lamp boasts dynamic RGB+IC color technology with 96 premium LED beads, offering 16 million colors and over 300 light modes to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. With both a remote and a user-friendly app, you can customize your lighting experience by adjusting colors, brightness, and even syncing the lights to your favorite music, thanks to its built-in high-sensitive microphone. The lamp's timing function ensures it can automatically turn on or off, providing a comforting night light that accompanies you to sleep. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy with a heavy base and anti-slip pad, this lamp is designed for stability and heat dissipation, while its height-adjustable sections allow you to tailor it to your needs. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, gaming rooms, or offices, this versatile lamp not only enhances your decor but also offers practical lighting solutions. With a 90-day return policy, this RGB floor lamp is a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their lighting game. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.